We just did a video.
We just did a YouTube video. Hey.
Hey guys, what's what's up? It's Deja and I'm back on screen like what's happening? So today I'm with Deja, Alliyah on Instagram. I'll put it right here. Okay. Deja, Alliyah. And today we're coming with you guys with a new video. It's a get ready with me drunk.
Drunk as fuck. We lit.
I
was gonna grab the bottle. I was not even over here.
Right. We're drunk as fuck right now. So yeah, we're doing our makeup and our hair pretty much
drunk.
For
y'all entertainment.
For you, because you guys want to see it. You guys requested it, so here it is. Here it goes. So we're just gonna get straight into the video. Cheers. Brush from her. Look, she said she got it at Dollar Tree. Like,
you went to Dollar Tree?
Click, clack. Dude, she told me to get this on her channel, and I got that shit. I got that shit, bitch.
Period. You're a real ass friend, bitch.
I literally
be watching your videos too, though.
No, I watch your videos.
Even though I don't have like curly hair like you, bitch, I be watching your little videos how to get your curls.
Bruh, that's why I wish I did makeup, because makeup's for everybody, you know, like curly hair like is only for certain people.
Yeah, because I definitely have black girl hair. You have hair like Haley. But it's popping up. Period. Oh, we're not even answering the question.
What's the question?
Remember the girl asked, what do we use on our eyebrow?
Oh, okay.
I mean eyebrows. What do we use on our eyebrows?
Eyebrows,
Wow, what the fuck? I've never done this before. Even in Vegas, I always did my makeup before I got drunk, because I knew it would be like this. Like, honestly, I can't even feel this brush on my eyelid right now.
Yeah, we're just gonna do like a basic
I'm
look,
literally just doing orange. I'm just rubbing orange
basic.
on my eyebrow. I mean, on my eyelid.
I'm doing this because she loves makeup, to be honest.
Yes, I love makeup. And I have a fat ass wedgie right now.
I'm weak.
Okay.
Let me see yours.
Bitch, you see mine?
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you because her eyeshadow is so fucking good. I'm just like, what the
bitch,
fuck?
are you kidding me? I literally just smeared some orange on here.
What the fuck?
I'm just going in a circle.
Are you serious?
But the crazy part about it is, y'all, I have these old ass, I think they're still on my Facebook, but how I used to do my makeup, bruh. Just know there's hope for everybody, because my makeup used to be so terrible. And if y'all went to fucking school with me when I was like a freshman or like 8th grade, I'm not even 8th grade, I didn't do my makeup in 8th grade, but like a freshman and sophomore, my shit looks so dumb. Let me see your mirror. Your shit looks fucking nice.
I cleaned it with your makeup wipes. Now it looks good, but it wasn't before.
Flawless. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a brown, any brown in this fucking palette. I'm just gonna going with a brown. I'm so over this.
The mirror that I use is from Benefit. I got it for free.
Bitch, that shit blinding them.
I'm sorry. Fucking weak. But okay. Yeah, I got it for free.
And I use a concealer brush, so it's okay. Okay. And I mixed two foundations because I don't like, cause this, I just don't like how one of these colors be looking, so I think it has to be a little bit darker.
Oh, you mix them? Mm-hmm. That's good. Dude, Fenty be having me right.
Oh my god, I had a Fenty foundation, but I lost that shit. But I'm gonna buy some more. But I had, okay, don't talk about me because I used this dark ass foundation first. But wait until how it turns out, then y'all bitches gonna understand.
She's so bomb.
Then y'all gonna, I got my nose pierced today. This shit is fucking sore. Okay. And I'm using the camera as a mirror.
I feel like I didn't bring enough. Fuck.
Bring up what? Oh, foundation?
Foundation. I'm like, shit. I put it in my thing, but goddamn. This is so funny. I've never done my makeup drunk before.
Neither have I.
This is different for sure.
Neither have I.
For sure. I can't believe our name is Deja. Like, we have to make a channel now. Like, what the fuck?
Deja and Deja Alliyah. This just looks so crazy.
No, it's okay. We're gonna nail this shit out. You're definitely gonna.
Oh my god, I got makeup in my hair.
Like, if anything, you're definitely gonna nail it.
So if y'all want to book Makeup with me soon when I'm drunk. I'll take $25.
What? Say it
This
again.
is so fun.
You said
Doing your makeup drunk is funny. Why am my voice going away?
So Haley, because we're talking about relationships, so
Oh, yeah.
Haley, like, what does she care about other girls? Like when you hang out with other girls and shit? By the way, guys, she is bi, right? Are you bi?
Girl, I'm lesbian as fuck.
Oh, she is lesbian AF. So she has a girlfriend and her name is Haley.
And we've been together for like 2 years.
Right, 2 years. So,
okay, no, Haley does not trip off other girls anymore. Like, I feel like in the beginning, obviously everyone has like their little like things in the beginning. Like, she had like hella like girlfriends, and I was like tripping off of that at first.
She had girlfriends?
No, not like girlfriends.
God.
I mean like girls that are friends.
Oh, okay.
Literally.
Yeah.
But I was tripping off at first, but now like, no, like I feel like she doesn't, like she lets me like, because everyone always asks me. I went to Vegas last weekend. Everyone's always like, oh, where's Haley? Like, does Haley care you're wearing this or doing this? But like, no, we have like a really good relationship. Like, no relationship is perfect. We have our little arguments, but like the trust is good. Like I trust her, she trusts me, you know? So she doesn't really trip off other girls anymore.
Anymore. Okay.
Anymore.
And I'm single, and I'm I don't know. I like dick pretty much. I like guys. Yeah, definitely. Like, I think guys are.
Let's get straight to the point.
Yeah, I like guys, and I think they're hella fucking cute. But I am open to everyone and everybody. Like I don't close myself off to anybody.
Right. Period.
For real. I'm welcoming everybody into my circle. For real.
Period.
I don't care what you are or who you are. Like
that's a great way to be.
Yeah. My drink is not on, like, my drink is, I had put 2 more shots more than you in it.
Why?
So, because you're obviously not on my level.
She got me.
You're obviously not on my level.
Why didn't you tell me you put more shots in there?
You've seen me do it all this
I honestly don't fucking remember.
I'm putting hella more concealer than I usually do because I'm drunk. That's okay.
Live your life.
What are you doing? Are you doing concealer yet or no?
Girl, I'm about to. I literally just finished out blending my foundation.
Okay.
But like, I'm just so like, I need to get every single spot of my face.
I feel you.
Because
that's why I love when you do makeup.
Okay, honestly,
y'all,
I know this is not blended right here, but I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck that much to fix that shit. So that's just gonna have to be.
I'm just so happy I finally put concealer on. I look like a freaking Eskimo, but it's fine.
I love when I do concealer.
Yes, concealer saves your life, for real. For real. Okay, I'm turned now. For real.
Okay.
Deja.
It's okay.
It's okay. They're gonna see us.
Ah! Huh?
They're gonna see us at our like real right now.
Our real. This is how we really are. Oh shit! I keep almost dropping.
Is there any other light in here, or is that it?
Not right here. You need more light, girl. I'm getting blinded by this fucking ring light.
You're getting blinded?
I literally like I close my eyes and see the ring.
Do you do your makeup like this all the time?
Okay.
Because then it's good. Then I think I'll be okay. But
okay, I don't do makeup. Are you asking me to do makeup every day?
No, of course not. Because I don't do my makeup every day.
I sure don't. Because everyone always asks me that. I do not do makeup every day.
Hell no.
Oh my god.
What you guys see on Instagram is when I'm looking the best. You know what I'm saying?
Period. Because I do not be getting cute every day. I be barefaced most of the time.
Right.
Like when I go to work, I don't go. Well, sometimes I get cute for work, but most of the time I don't give a fuck. Especially at work, because I don't give a fuck about none of them bitches.
Where do you work at?
At fucking Food for Less. I'm not talking shit
okay.
about that. But yeah, I work at fucking Food for Less, and them customers be rude as fuck. I got makeup in my bathing suit. I'm about to use this to see if I'm doing like some extreme editing, like damn near 2 hours. Not even 2 hours. It takes me hell long. If I'm being lazy, like I'll like do it like over the span of a couple days. Like I'll just like wait, you know, and just like do like 30 minutes a day. But if I'm like really,
you look okay?
I don't know. I feel like I look so crazy.
But in the mirror, I look fine. Like, but on camera, it's just a little different.
That's literally how I feel.
But at least my concealer's on, so I feel a little better. You know what I'm saying?
When do you put your eyelashes on last?
Yes. What do you do? We do our makeup so opposite, I feel like, huh?
It's hard doing makeup. I do eyebrows, eyeshadow, face, and then I highlight and conceal. And then the very last thing I do is like do my like lips.
Right now I'm contouring with Maybelline. Like it's like $2.99. It's just like a little contouring stick. So yeah, I'm just doing that around my forehead, my, what are these called? Your jawline?
Cheekbones?
Cheekbones, yeah, your cheekbones, and then around my nose. I think I just finished my like contouring process and my eyeshadow.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just tired of this shit.
really don't need a lot more contour, but
I'm doing the most natural shit I've ever done in my life. And I don't fucking care no more.
Okay, and then after that, what's after that?
You're done.
So
you're
confused.
beautiful.
Stop. I'm literally so confused right now. Like, what is after this? Mascara?
Girl. Okay, I think I need to put, I was about to say, I need to put some mascara on.
Yeah, mascara.
Are you putting eyelashes on?
Yeah, I am.
Girl.
Because we're taking pictures no matter what.
Oh my
God. We're both in yellow. Should I keep blocking you guys? So I'm just putting mascara on. Yeah, let's do our shit close up.
Ow, fuck. See, no. I'm not gonna lie to y'all right now. Because y'all know I'm not a fucking liar. I'm not.
Keep it real.
I am not about to put eyelashes on.
You're not?
No.
Okay, I'm not either. Shit, fuck it.
Yeah, I'm gonna just keep this mascara. Because this shit is like a lot.
Lashes will be so freaking terrifying.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm hella drunk right now. And I don't give a fuck about these eyelashes. I don't give a fuck about nothing but being drunk. And if I'm not gonna lie, if I put on eyelashes right now, I probably like, it would look dumb as fuck. Like it would look so dumb. So I'm just gonna keep to my little.
Because it's just a natural look, so.
This shit turned into a natural look. I probably look so dumb. I need to put it on my lips. But let me just put my mascara on.
Look at that highlight though.
Oh wow, your hair. You like your hair now.
So, this is what I use: a spray bottle of gel, and that's it.
Period. Because this hair is motherfucking popping.
Oh,
hair ball. I have heard them. I'm not sure how I look.
Oh yeah, so let's put them back in action for sure.
Yeah, put them back. Okay. I'm just gonna spray myself because I'm tired of this.
Where's my spray at? Okay, what's the fan brush that you use for this highlight?
Right here.
Yes.
Put that highlight on. I'm ready for sun. I really don't have eyelashes on. I really always wear eyelashes.
Me too. Always, like, always.
Okay,
it's okay. We did not need them for sure. This is. We were drunk. Okay, so we did not need that shit.
I'm for real. How this turned? I'm not lying. I'm really not lying. Like I don't give a fuck about how this turned out. I don't even care. I didn't do my fucking hair. I didn't do my edges. Like I don't give a fuck.
Okay, here you go.
I hate that filter. What the fuck?
Okay.
No,
we're gonna do that. Thank you guys so much for watching,
tuning into our video.
Yes,
there's
we
gonna be
finally got our video.
I know. There's gonna be more in the future, definitely.
Yes, definitely.
This is
definitely. This was so
the first
fun.
of many.
So thank you guys for watching our Get Ready With Me. It was drunk version, pretty much. We were tipsy as fuck. And yeah, we talked about relationships. We talked about a whole bunch of stuff in this. So thank
I don't even remember what we talked about.
Right. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, we will see you guys later in our next video.
T2L. Peace.